Veronica Kitty Duterte, good afternoon. How are you
Good
today?
afternoon, Vin. Maulan ngayon kaya gusto kong magtabon. Ito yung t-shirt ni Papa. I was wearing it as I entered pero biglang umulan. Kaya
Kit, how's the former President Duterte?
he's okay today. Medyo naparami with the soft drinks. Actually, we were reprimanded already a number of times na mataas na talaga yung sugar niya. So that's something we need to work on kung makikinig siya. But he's okay and he's updated with what's going on in the Philippines.
Is he given medicines in as far as the...
Yes, he has I don't know what to call it. Pero yung may monitor siya for his sugar
okay.
so that they know when it's normal and when it's spiking.
How's the overall atmosphere or the emotions of former President today? Seeing you.
Ngayon, kamusta ba siya ngayon? Parang okay naman siya ngayon. I think lang sa tingin ko medyo gutom siya. Pero he said na he ate lunch naman daw a while ago. Quite disappointed and saddened with some of the news, national news. But he's okay. He's rooting for the Philippines and the Filipino people. So,
Alam ba ni PRRD na may nangyaring malaking rally right now sa
I
Pilipinas?
informed him just now. Actually, parang, ewan ko ba, pero si PRRD kasi he's also intuitive. So, pagpasok ko, anong balita? Anong nangyari? Sabi ko, who told you? Sino nagsabi sa'yo? Kala ko nakichismis na naman siya. Yun pala, kutob niya lang na may nangyayari. And then yun, I broke the news to him. Sinali ko yung the protests that's happening in the Philippines right now, especially in EDSA. And he's worried kasi obviously being inside, he's not active, wala siyang magagawa to directly help the country. Pero nonetheless, he's still praying and he's rooting na ang mananalo is yung tao, not any political color, hindi yung mga nasa taas, kundi yung tao, Pilipino.
Meron pa siyang specific na message na gustong ipahiwatig sa mga Pilipino aside from that his concern?
No specific message, no. He just worded in Ay, salamat. Thank you. He just worded it in a way to me. I think this isn't the time for divisive comments or for standing by political colors alone. This is the time to be loyal to the country, to your fellow Filipinos, and to the welfare of everyone.
Kit, do you have a reaction to what's happening to our country as a private citizen in this regard?
I'm very saddened also, no. Yes, I may not be in politics or I don't have a position, pero I mean it affects everyone. Kasi at the end of the day, compared to them, yung mga magnanakaw, maliit na tao lang tayo. So, it affects us. It will continue affecting our daily lives until we do something about it. Until all of us really take action.
Do you have questions, guys?
Guys?
Kit, thank you for this interview. Mabuhay ka.
Thank you. Mabuhay.
Okay.